Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2015. The session is October-November. This is question number 3. The question is based on circular measure, similarity and congruence. So let's get into it. The question reads, AC is the diameter of the circle with center O. BCD and OED are straight lines. AC is 6 centimeters and CD is 3 centimeters. Angle BAC is 34 degrees. The first part says explain why BCA is 56 degrees. That means they're talking about this angle right here. They're saying why is this 56 degrees. First of all, if you look at the question, AC, this line over here, is the diameter. If this is the diameter and B touches the circumference of the circle, this makes this angle 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, we add this, we add 34, we subtract it from 180, we should get 56. So angle BCA that we're looking for is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 34. Let's see what we get. 34 plus 90 subtracted from 180, we get 56 degrees. Hence, we're done with the first part. The next part says find COD. They're asking us to find this angle right here, this one. Okay, so if you read the question carefully, CD is 3 centimeters. This is 3. This line over here, the radius is also going to be 3. So since CO is 3 and CD is 3, this makes COD an isosceles triangle. If we find this angle right here, this will make our work easier. How do we find angle OCD? Angle OCD is going to be 180 minus 56. 180 minus 56 gives us 124. Okay. Now since we have this angle right here, that is 124. Again, if we subtract that from 180, we would get 56, and then 56 would be divided into two parts. That gives us COD and CDO. So angle COD is technically 180 minus 124 divided by 2, which gives us 56 divided by 2. This eventually gives us 28 degrees. So our answer is 28 degrees. The last part says OCE. Find angle OCE. Okay, let me remove all of this first. So now we know a bunch of angles. The last angle that we're asking us for is OC, this angle over here. So we found out that this is 28 degrees. If this is 28 degrees, and since this line is 3, this line is 3, this also makes OCE an isosceles triangle. So we subtract 28 from 180 and we divide whatever we get in two parts, we'll get angle OCE. So let's do that. So angle OCE is actually equal to 180 minus 28. Let's see, and divided by 2 eventually. So 180 minus 28, this gives us 152 divided by 2. If you divide this by 2, we eventually end up at 76 degrees. So our answer to this part is 76 degrees. Okay, let's move on. The next part says, in the diagram, PS is the bisector of QPR. QPT and QSR are straight lines. RT is parallel to SP. Part 1 says explain why PT is equal to PR. They're asking us to explain that why is this line equal to this line over here. So let's look at the angles first. If, for example, I say that this angle right here is X degrees. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. This is X degrees. If this is X degrees and SP is parallel to RT, that means this would also be X degrees, right? So we have one of these angles, let's call it X. So if this angle is X degrees, QPT, that's a straight line. If I extend the other lines, for example, if I extend the line SP like this and the line RP just like this, this angle is going to be X, this angle is also going to be X degrees. So that means this angle right here is also going to be X degrees. Now eventually, if this is X degrees, that means angle QPS, that is X degrees, and this line QPT is an extension, and the two parallel lines are SP and RT. This makes this angle right here also X degrees. So let's write this information down first. Angle, let's look at the diagram as well. SPR is equal to angle PRT. SPR is this angle right here and PRT is this angle right here. Okay, let's remove all of this once again so that it's easier for us to understand. So up till now what we have decided is that angle SPR, this x degrees, is equal to angle this, which is x degrees. So angle SPR is also equal to angle QPS. This angle right here is QPS. Okay, this is also x degrees. If QPS is x degrees, QPS is x degrees, angle PTR is also going to be, this one is also going to be x degrees. So we have a bunch of angles that are the same. Let's write the information down over here in a better way. So if angle PRT is equal to angle PTR, this means that if this angle and this angle is the same, this is an isosceles triangle, right? Therefore, the line PT is equal to the line PR. Hence, we prove this, that the two lines are the same in length. The last part says the diagram shows the part of the diagram above. PQ is 12, PR is 5, QR is 8.5. It is given that PQ over PR is equal to QS over SR. Find SR. So they've asked us to find this length over here. Let's call this X. So let's write down the information. They've given us this as well. We write 12, which is PQ, over PR. What is PR? PR is 5. This is equal to QS. QS is just this part. So we do 8.5 minus X over SR, which is X already. Now we cross multiply them. When we cross multiply them, this becomes 12X equal to 5 times 8.5. Let's see what that is. 5 times 8.5. This gives us 42.5 minus 5x. Let's do the remaining part over here. So this negative 5x comes to the left side. This becomes 12x plus 5x equal to 42.5. This becomes 17x equal to 42.5. So x comes out to be, let's do this, 2.5. That means SR is 2.5. And we're done with the question. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.